Video, what we're going to do is work on the D-blurbs. It broke on me. Let's show you what happened quickly. Yeah, shouldn't be doing that, should it? So stay tuned, stay charged, and let's strip it down and show you what happened. So a little background to what had happened to the D-blurbs is I was driving back from work, me being nice, letting a tipper van go through, pulled into her side. He's managed to get through. I've gone to put it in gear and yeah, it literally wouldn't engage or nothing, and I was like, what the bloody hell's happened here? Like, as you can see, it shouldn't be like that. So there's me trying to figure out what's happened here. Have I broken the actual gearbox and whatnot? I was like, oh, damn, man. So luckily, being an old car, I started stripping it all down, took the center console out, everything. I'd taken this complete shifter out, then looked underneath the floor while I was taking that shifter out, saw a little linkage. What goes down there somewhere, we're going to remove all this and then you'll see. So yeah, figured out what was the problem, managed to get into first gear, screaming all the way. Yeah, people looking at me like, do you know how to change gear, mate? Like, but they don't know the background until now. But got home and waiting on them rods now. Apparently it's coming like 9th of January, day after my birthday. Long, but yeah, gonna get it stripped down anyway. Let's do it. Right, now the battery tray is out. Leave that there. Let's put these bolts back into there. Right, so we've got the air filter pipe out. I think I've just figured out why it's running quite bad. Would you look at that? That's not filtering out nothing. That's going literally straight in to the turbo or whatever. So we need a new air filter. We'll get one ordered up. Anyways, other than that, now you got access down here. Here is the gear linkages. That's one. And where is the one that snapped? There's the long one. I think we may even have to strip down furthermore. Oh, down here, but yeah, you can't see it. As you can see, I've undone it from back there, also undone it from the back of the oil filter housing, not oil filter, so yeah, just get this all out of the way. It might seem a bit drastic, me undoing all this, but do you know what? I'd rather have a lot more access than, yeah. I want to get rid of all that plastic stuff, man. Put some metal goodness. Right. You see this little ball thing here? That's where the linkage went on to. From there to there. And by the looks of it, it go to the disappear. Yes, my charge, people. So I've been waiting on parts for the D-blurbs. They have finally arrived. Woohoo! Let's show you what we've ordered for it and get it fitted up and hopefully drive it again. I kind of miss driving the D-blurbs, you know. Let's show ya. So first of all, As you all saw, the other air filter, it was completely ruined. We've got one brand new filter. That should do the job. Hopefully it'll run a bit better. And then we have a 45-degree intercooler pipe, and that I was planning on putting there, but it looks a bit long here. Well, I don't know if that's gonna work then, but otherwise, yeah, I was even gonna go from behind there, from turbo, this and that, and as I said before, I want to change all this into aluminium pipework, but that's later on down the line. The main thing, look at these brand new gear linkages. I'm going to take one out, compare it and show you. Right, so what I've noticed, when you pop them out, make sure you put them back in the right place, because there is a slight difference on these linkages. Look, that's the old one, yeah, the old rubber bushings and that. If you look at that, I don't know whether you can tell, it's slightly bent, whereas that one is as well. It's slightly angled and that one is straight, yeah. But look at the difference. Let's get these new ones in and see how it feels, y'all. So yeah, I literally took the clip off and yeah, put that into there like so, and that one went there, I think, you know. Yes, it did, Joe. Right, same thing again here. Pop the clip off. Don't really want to take it completely off. Yes, you do have to pop the clips out completely, otherwise they don't seem to want to go in. Right, now the new linkages are replaced with the old ones. Look at them, man. Lovely jubbly. This one was literally deteriorated and gone, man. Now let's see if we have gear change. Miss Scusi Messy. Oh, that already feels a bit better. Third, fifth. Oh wow. Do you know what? That feels so much better. Maybe I might put a short shifter, I don't know, but we have gears again, thankfully, and it don't feel as loose and crap as it was before, so it's done the job. Let's basically now get this all back together, put the air filter, and we're going to work out if we can do straight from the back of the turbo, or otherwise that's another job for another time. But the main thing is done, and yeah, let's take the D-blurbs for a drive. Right, we're making progress on the D-blurbs so far. As you can see, battery trays back in, pipe coming back from the turbo back in, that's back in, air filters down there. We're gonna just connect it up there now, and yeah, literally what, intercooler pipes, strut brace, and I'll say we're pretty much there. Yeah man, enjoying it. Try and give it a little clean, but yeah, don't know where it's leaking from, so let's just continue going, y'all. Stay charged, y'all. Right, it's all back together. Now all we've got to do is start it up, see if it's all good, and yeah, give it a clean from the interior. But yeah, let's do this, y'all. Yep, lovely. Right, that's all sorted. The car is all back together. Gave it a quick little clean. Let's show ya. Like nothing happened, eh? Now all we gotta do is go for a drive and yeah, see how it performs. Let's do this. Jeez, it moves, which is a positive, you know what I mean? Damn, it's been ages. Definitely feels a lot more positive than before. Yeah, that's much better. You can tell the difference. Don't have to fight with the gears. Nice. Job well done. Well done, happy days. I'm happy with that. So yeah, like always, if you like this, hit that like button, share, comment and subscribe, and stay charged, y'all. Cheers.